In this short tutorial, you will learn how to clear the app cache on your Android device. App cache is temporary data that apps store on your phone to help them run faster and smoother. However, over time, this cache can pile up and get corrupted, causing issues with the app. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Apps. Just tap on it. What you want to do next is scroll down, find, and tap on the app that you want to clear the cache for. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Now, at the bottom right, you'll see the Clear Cache option. Just tap on it. Now you've successfully cleared the cache of that particular app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.